Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I wanted to talk to you about 60-second traffic by Brian Winters. Now this is out now and I was actually asked to do this review by one of my subscribers, so I thought I'd just go through it very quickly, and if he's the only one who watches it, I'm okay with that, because I just want to be able to show you exactly what this type of product is and how far the actual sales page is from the reality of what this product will deliver. So this is basically ad swapping. That's what 60-second traffic is. It's swapping ads and then you posting your ads into their own site that apparently gets thousands of visitors a day. So I'm going to show you inside the members area. We'll take you through exactly what this is actually all about. And then we'll come back and we'll talk about some of the OTOs and then go into the sales page in a little bit more detail. So guys, if you haven't been over to my channel before, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And if you're serious about building a long-term sustainable business online, you can go ahead and pick up my free training. You'll see it in the description below. Over to the School of Nomads and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So let's just take a quick look at this. 150 plus free leads and buyers to any link in 60 seconds a pop, over and over again. So let's jump straight into the actual members area. And basically this is the members area. So what you actually have here is a 13-minute video that takes you through the methodology, and then you have this. Now this is a two-step process. What you do is that you share these links here in this top box over to Facebook pages that they're pre-selected here. That's the first thing you do. And then you go ahead and you can post your own link here, select a category here, and then they'll go ahead and share it on their network. Now this featured it and super feature it is actually a couple of upgrades that they've got on their own network. Apparently this is going to get you more clicks. Now let's just talk about the very first thing. You need to join at least 3 of our approved Facebook free ad groups. Okay, so these are supposed to be approved groups. Now if you've ever been over to a Facebook group before, I'm a member of lots of different Facebook groups. The first thing they don't allow you to do is share affiliate links of any kind, right? So lots of these are going to have problems with you sharing affiliate links. But let me just show you some of these groups. So I looked at this one, and this is some Facebook group that is just a random set of posts about home appliances, office equipment, automobiles, car accessories. Really, none of these are the type of offers that I was seeing on the actual ads that you're going to share. So this is the type of Facebook group that you're expected to go ahead and join. Second one here, this is some form of advertising group. Again, they have lots of different rules here. No MLM, no Ponzi schemes, no work from home, no competition unless you promote a business page. There's lots of different rules here that you're going to fall foul of if you go ahead and post some of the offers. So I'm going to actually show you the offers now. We'll go over to the next one. Again, Tuscola County Online Flea Market. You know, this is completely random groups you're going to go ahead and post to here. Next one, again, this is Spanish, if I'm not mistaken. I can't even see the rules of this group, and I'm expected to go ahead and join this and start posting to it. Next one, again, some kind of, is this South African? Again, random languages here. I'm not sure if this is Spanish actually. Random languages here. You know, guys, these are really spammy Facebook groups. You're not going to get any kind of decent traffic from these Facebook groups. But the idea is that you would go ahead, and I think I made my point, you can go through all of these and you've got to pick out at least 3 groups to be spamming with these various links. Now the idea is that you would go ahead and you would just pick whatever these ads are that you happen to come across at the time. You need to go ahead and share these. So this one is whatever this is, some cheap store. So you would go ahead and post this one. Then you can go to the next one. This one is some random bit.ly link. Again, not very nice link to be going sharing, but you got to go ahead and share this on those groups. And guys, most of the groups are going to ban you outright. As soon as you start sharing links like this, you're going to get banned. There again, some real money streams. You've got no idea what the quality of these products is. You're just being asked to share them so that you can share your own links. That's the big issue here. And what you would do is you go ahead and all you need to do is join the groups here. Once you share that, it'll take you over to the groups that you've joined. And by the way, this is supposed to have some kind of patent pending on it. This is just an app that shares links to groups. There's millions of these types of apps there. There's no patent pending on this technology. So what you would then do is go to this and build your own ad. Select the category. You can see there, because I'm not showing any of these, it won't let me do it. Select the category here, and then once you post it, it goes onto their own site, and that's where you get your own traffic from. Now what is happening is your links are actually coming up here, and other people on this site are sharing your links to these various platforms. So potentially your offer is being shared around all of these different spammy Facebook groups, which I don't think is a great thing anyway. So guys, I'm not impressed with this at all. I think it's a really poor tactic. It's not something you can build a real business on. It's just kind of a trick, and it's not something that if you're one of my subscribers, I would tell you to actually go ahead and purchase. It's a real waste of time. Now again guys, if you're interested in starting a business online and interested in learning how to build up a real funnel with real free traffic, go ahead and hit the link in the description below guys. There's some free training there, and it will actually show you how to do affiliate marketing properly and not be somebody who's just trying to spam your links around the internet. So guys, I will give you the OTOs. So the OTO one is the 60ST 500 daily clicks machine. That's $47 with a 27 downsell. Remember, these are basically the two buttons that I showed you to make your ads more visible. Then you got OTO2 60ST's free traffic auto bot, $67 with a $37 downsell. OTO3 60ST's free $700 ads generator, $67 with $37 downsell. OTO4 is 60ST's $1,000 payday widget, $97 with $47 downsell. And OTO5 60ST's six-figure cruise club, $197 with $97 downsell. Now guys, the reason I don't like methods like this is I don't think they're a real business. I think they're just a trick. You might get the odd sale here or there, but it's not scalable. It's not a business that you can actually grow online. It's literally just a little trick somebody's found to get you the odd sale here and there to keep you happy. So I hope that was useful to you. The idea of my reviews is that you can get just a little bit more information before you purchase any kind of product or service like this online. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new videos. Until next time guys, take care.